Hi, my name is Chad with Peking. Today we're going to talk about how to maintain a properly cleaned air conditioner outside. As you see today, we're dealing with a Carrier unit, standard base model air conditioner. As you notice, cottonwood likes to fly and build up on the coil. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically clean this air conditioner off. This air conditioner is not attached to anything. It is an old air conditioner we had sitting down. How you properly clean and maintain your air conditioner is you're going to need a garden hose and a sprayer. Do not want to use a pressure washer to the coil of the air conditioner, which could lead to bending the coils over. What I'm using is basically a proper standard hose with a little bit of pressure. What next you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start on one side of the air conditioner. What you're going to want to do then is apply pressure and water to coil as it's slanted in a downward. So I always start on one side and kind of work my way down. Just like so. Which then pushes all the material and debris to the bottom of the air conditioner and it just flows away. Watching the unit while the system is running, you may have a chance of water spraying you. Recommendation is wash the unit when the system is off. You can either turn the air conditioner off by inside or do it while the system's not running. When washing the air conditioner, another nice note would be too is as you're washing it, the nice thing to see is inside the air conditioner, seeing the water actually go through the coil means that you're getting a good clean coil and water is going through it and you're getting the proper airflow then that will go through the air conditioner. Proper way to clean your air conditioner off. Not all air conditioners will look like this. Some also have hail guards, screens to help prevent any kind of hail damage or debris hitting it damage. As you can see, this air conditioner has hail damage applied to it. So a lot of air conditioners will have screens. What you want to do then is remove them screens, which usually will have screws at the bottom and top of the unit. Pull them off and then apply this process. And that's how you clean an air